Hello and welcome. Welcome to the basement. David Bradley here, looking through some old records. Oh, there is the first family. But behind the first family is Bongos from the South. Edmundo Ross and his orchestra. I've never heard of this. Never, ever, 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 ever. Let us have a look here. Nothing quite suits the new developments in stereophonic sound so well as do the rhythms and exciting gyrations of a Latin American group, and Edmundo Ross's group is the most colorful, exciting of any. The new idiom is tailor-made to the percussive sounds which have always been part of Mr. Ross's band, especially the bongos. The bongo, in a sense, is the star of this album, and for two reasons. First, it is an instrument truly identified with Latin rhythms, and secondly, because of its musical characteristic, atone, though usually of indefinite pitch, which is of such short duration that it remains local once struck, defining its position, whether left or right, with great clarity. We have asked the bongo player, often Mr. Ross himself, to utter freely an unwritten passage now and then in an attempt to capture the spontaneous excitement of an improvisation. The album is further a remarkable exercise in discipline for the musical arranger, for the title of this album, on this album, are not all Latin American. The listener will note at a glance that all of the titles have in common the fact that they deal with southern areas, cities, or regions. Each selection, therefore, had to be tested against the rhythms available in the Latin American idiom. Each one has come up thrillingly as a winner. Sometimes the results were surprising. Who, for instance, would have imagined a conga for deep in the heart of Texas? Yet, how exciting it becomes, played this way. But then, this is Ross. Excitement. So yes, there are many things on here. They're deep in the heart of Texas. Lady of Spain, my old Kentucky home, Brazil, when the Saints go marching in, moon over Miami, roses from the south, taboo, in a little Spanish town, and other things that I didn't read because I don't want to butcher the pronunciation. I do not. Anyway, if I take the record out, it is still in plastic, and it looks okay, but I should, of course, find a way to test these. I did get, not long ago, as in probably in the last couple of years, I got from Shoppers Drug Mart a little record player, and it was just dandy. But it doesn't like to play the whole record. As in, it gets to a certain point towards the middle and it says, well, I don't care if you're done or not, we're going up. We are. So there. Bongos from the south. I suppose that I should go back to eBay. Bongos from the south. Let us search. Oh yeah, there it is. Bongos from the south. $30.11 Canadian plus $30.03 for shipping. Oh, these are all sponsored. Yep, there's a lot of these. It seems to be more than one version. Or maybe there's more than, oh, there's a CD. there is. So this appears that the original recording was from 1961. So I guess what I should do, if I am going to do this, is I should take out my camera, otherwise known as my other phone, and shoot a picture. Now this does have a very enticing, looks like a dancer of sorts on the front here. So I will get a good close-up of her, and then I will pull back and get her and the title. Maybe, if I can, all the songs that are on here. And is there anything interesting on the back? Well, sort of. There's another shot of the Bongo lady, etc. Anyway, there we have it. Another vintage record. And hopefully, at some point in the next little while, we'll find a new home. Anyway, have I listed anything? No. Do I intend to? Yes. Yes, I do. Perhaps next we will look at love songs by Mario Lanza and a Neapolitan. Oh my word! I must be tired. Neapolitan Serenade. Perhaps we shall. But for the moment, that's it. That's all. Have a lovely, lovely day. We'll see you again back in the basement. Bye for now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.